हमारा एक ही है हमारी जान।
हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम है इसकी शान।
जान लुटा देंगे, वतन पे हो जाएंगे कुर्बान।
इसलिए हम कहते हैं मेरा भारत महान।
With this multifarious thought,
We wish you all a very happy Independence Day. So I, Asta Santosh Barne of class 10 Chavra,
and I, Shantanu Wankhede from class 10th Chavra,
your today's host in front of you to lead you into the program.
Independence Day is celebrated annually on 15th August as a national holiday in India, commemorating the nation's independence on August 15, 1947, the day when the provisions of the 1947 Indian Independence Act transferred in from legislative sovereign to the Indian Constituent Assembly and came into effect.
चलो फिर से आज वो नजारा याद कर ले,
शहीदों के दिल में जो ज्वाला थी उसे याद कर ले,
जिसमें बहकर आजादी पहुंची थी किनारे पे।
देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर ले।
Here come the artists of class 10 to welcome you all.
इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, इनकलाब जिंदाबाद।
तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा, गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। केसरी ओ हीर मेरी तू हंसती रहे, तेरी आंख घड़ी भर नम ना हो। मैं मरता था जिस मुखड़े पे, कभी उसका उजाला कम ना हो।
Thank you dear friends.
3 रंगों का नहीं वस्त्र, ये ध्वज देश की शान है।
हर भारतीय के दिलों का स्वाभिमान है। यही है गंगा, यही है हिमालय, यही भारत की जान है।
और 3 रंगों में रंगा हुआ ये अपना हिंदुस्तान है।
Asta, do you know this year we are going to celebrate the platinum jubilee of Independence Day.
So let's celebrate the platinum jubilee of our independence. Now comes Amoya Chobe of class 1st Euphrasia for her auspicious performance.
से सजा भारत अनोखा
Thank you, Amoya, for your brilliant performance. May I now request Kumari Nasreen Fatima to come and give a speech on the importance of Independence Day.
A very happy Independence Day to all. Myself Nasreen and I am here to talk to you about Independence Day. As we all know that Independence Day is an auspicious occasion for all of us. India's Independence Day is the most important day to all the Indian citizens and has been mentioned forever in the history. It is the day when we got freedom from the British rule after many years of hard struggle by the great freedom fighters of India. We celebrate Independence Day every year on 15th of August to remember the first day of freedom of India, as well as remember all the sacrifices of the great leaders who have sacrificed their lives in getting freedom for India. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the British rule. After independence, we got all the fundamental rights in our own nation, our motherland. Feel proud to be an Indian and admire our fortune that we took birth on the land of an independent India. History of slave India reveals everything that how our ancestors and forefathers had worked hard and suffered all the brutal behavior of Britishers. I cannot imagine by sitting here that how hard the independence was for India from the British rule. It took sacrifices of lives of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle from 1857 to 1947. An Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, first raised his voice against Britishers for the independence of India. Later, several great freedom fighters had struggled and spent their whole life only for getting freedom. We can never forget the sacrifices of the Bhagat Singh, Khudiram Bose and Chandrasekhar Azad, who had lost their lives in their early age just for fighting for their country. How can we ignore all the struggles of Netaji and Gandhiji? Gandhiji was a great Indian personality who taught Indians a big lesson of non-violence. He was the one and only who led India to get freedom with the help of non-violence. On 15th of August 1947, when India got freedom, we are so lucky that our forefathers have given us a land of peace and happy, where we can sleep whole night without fear and enjoy whole day in our school or home. Our country is developing very fast in the field of technology, education, sports, finance and various other fields, which were almost impossible before independence. India is one of the countries rich in nuclear power. We are going ahead by actively participating in sports like Olympics, Commonwealth Games and Asian Games. We have full rights to choose our government and enjoy largest democracy in the world. Yes, we are free and have complete freedom. At last, I would conclude my speech by saying that as being responsible citizens, we should be always ready to handle any emergency conditions in our country. Thank you.
Thank you, Nasreen. Here comes the dynamic singer of class 10 to assume you all with the melody depicting the tricolor.
Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the rays arising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that fry. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts will be bright at this three colors tree. The saffron gives us courage and inspires sacrifice. The white for us is peace and honesty. The green is festive life and it means prosperity. The central wheel is dharma for eternity. colors make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the rays are rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our hearts filled with pride at this three colors breeze. From the north and from the south of this great ancient land, from the east and from the west, together we all stand. Let's rever the flag that is a mark of unity, identity, integrity, a noble dignity. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high.
Thank you, friends, for making our heart feel the breeze of patriotism. Here now comes the leaders of First Standard. Let us all salute them and remember their importance on the freedom struggle.
सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हम बुलबुले हैं इसकी ये गुलसितान हमारा हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा हमारा
You little ones, well, come back and let's have a change.
Let's together partake and enjoy the dance by Prarambhi Sonarkar of class 10th Carmel with a huge round of applause.
लोगो देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा लोगो देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा ऐ जननी तूने दिया है जीवन तूने दिए आराम जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में होठों पे तेरा नाम जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है आए तेरे काम जागे जागे हिम्मत है रास्ते और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जागा जागा हिंदुस्तान है और जागी जागी हिम्मत है रास्ते है और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है जागा हिंदुस्तान जागा हाथों में लेके हम तिरंगा जब है चलते आँखों में पल पल कितने सपने हैं पलते सपने हैं वतन के
Thank you, Prarambhi, for this graceful performance. Now, let's welcome Ayushi Lunare of First Carmel to speak few words on the topic Independence Day.
Good morning everyone. Wish you all happy Independence Day. Independence Day is the celebration of our freedom. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15 August 1947. It is celebrated to commemorate our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and so many others. It is one of the national festivals
Ayushi for sharing your thoughts with us. Hi Ankit, we are eagerly waiting to hear your melodious sound.
इंसान की नजर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्हें हो कल के। इंसान की नजर पे बच्चों दिखाओ चल के, ये देश है तुम्हारा, नेता तुम्हें हो कल के। दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ ना मुंह से कहना, दुनिया के रंग सहना और कुछ ना मुंह से कहना। सच्चाइयों के बल पे आगे बढ़ते रहना, सच्चाइयों के बल से आगे बढ़ते रहना। रख दोगे कि दिल तुम संसार को बदल के, रख दोगे कि दिल तुम संसार को बदल के। इंसान
Thank you, Ankit, for taking us to the rhythm of patriotism. Here comes the next performance, which is something peaceful, something that must fill our heart with a patriotic feeling in the silence of patriotism in the form of Mohiniyattam.
So let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
जयतु जयतु भारतम, जयतु जयतु भारतम। विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया
जागा हुआ भारत है ये। विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया, विश्व प्रेम की ओढ़ चदरिया सच्चे सुर में गाता है।
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए उगाता है। जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये, जागा हुआ भारत है ये। जय तो भारत, जय तो भारत, वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम् भारतम्, जय तो भारतम्।
न्याय न्याय बात लिखने सा आशाएं।
तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, अंधकार को जीते मन।
यही प्रार्थना करता भारत, विजयी भव मानव जीवन। विश्व प्रेम की ओर चदरिया, प्रेम की ओर चदरिया। खोलेंगे
What a wonderful performance it was. Thank you friends for making this day a special and unforgettable one.
Last but not the least, we would like to thank Principal of our school, Sister Leena, who plays the major role to conduct the program. heartily expressing our gratitude to the Snail teacher for preparing the students of song and dance. Thanks to all the class teachers of 1st and 10th for immense support and make this program a successful one.
We heartily express our immense gratitude to all the participants to make this program a successful one.
By the end of the program, we wish you all a very happy Independence Day.